Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Christmas video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Santa Mario. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Christmas Mario, let's begin right here with the nose. So let's begin by making a circle shape for Mario's nose. So we'll put it right here on our paper. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up, and then it's going to curve all the way to the side of the nose. We'll do the same thing over here for the other eye. Let's just go up, we'll bring it down, and we'll curve it right over here onto the side of the nose. Now for the inside of the eyes, let's draw a little line that does the same thing here, and we'll do the same thing over here, a little line that comes down. We will add a small circle inside of the eyes, then we'll go ahead and just color in for the pupil. Starting here, let's bring a little curve for the mustache, and then we'll do the same thing over here, just kind of curve it up for the mustache. Now I'm going to make some little smiley face shapes on each end. Next, I'm going to make a few more, coming all the way across here. For the mouth, let's bring a line that's going to go down and then up and like a smile. And then we'll draw a little sad face in here for the tongue. And I'm going to go ahead and just color in this part for the inside of the mouth. Now let's do the eyebrows. We'll begin by making a line that's going to curve right above each eye. Then we'll make a little bit taller curve right above it to finish off our eyebrows. For the top of the head, let's draw a line that goes right across here. Next, we'll bring a line in on each side. For the face, I'm going to curve a line down here. Do the same thing out here. We're just going to curve a line that comes down. And for the chin, we're just going to make a little smiley face shape right here for the chin. We'll make a little line that curves up on each side for the hair. Now for the ears, we'll go ahead and make a little half of an oval shape on each side. Now to work on the hat, I'm going to bring a little bit line that comes out a little bit farther on each side. And right here, I'm going to make a bumpy line that comes all the way across here. And it's going to come right down to the other ear. Now, I want to give this Santa hat some eyes, kind of like the eyes and the hat from the Super Mario Odyssey. So starting here, I'm going to begin by making a big, tall oval shape like this. And then we'll do the same thing over here. I'm going to make another big, tall oval shape for the eyes on the hat. We'll make another oval shape right inside of here. And we'll do the same thing here. We'll just make another oval shape right here. We'll make a small circle at the bottom for the pupils. We'll add a little circle at the top, and we'll go ahead and color the rest of this in. Now starting here, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up and then down over here to a curve. We'll bring a little line up, and then I'll make a line that comes all the way out here for the point of the hat. Then we'll make a little bumpy line right around here for the end of our Santa hat. Now, starting right here, I'm going to make a small bumpy line that's just going to come across and up here. And we'll do the same thing here, just a little bumpy line that's going to come across and then up. Starting here, I'm going to draw a low line that comes down on each side. And starting here, I'll bring another line down just to kind of finish off the shape of the coat. I'm going to make a little bumpy line at the bottom of each end of our coat. And then I'll just make another little bumpy line to kind of finish it off. Kind of looks like a little cloud down here. Starting here, let's make a line across for the belt, and then we'll do one more right here. Then we'll make two lines with a small little rectangle inside of it to finish off the belt buckle. Starting here, I'm going to bring a line down for the leg. And then right here we'll make another line that gets a little bit wider as it comes out. Starting down here, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up, and then we'll curve it down here for a foot. Then we're going to bring this down and just connect it to here. Starting here, we're going to bring a line that's going to come up, and it's going to curve around. And then we'll make a little line across for the bottom of the shoe. Now let's just go ahead and connect it right there. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to curve it up here for the other leg. And we'll make a little curved line right here for the other shoe. Now, starting here, let's make a little line that's just going to come down. And then we'll make a line that comes out here. We'll make a little curved line. And then I'm just going to bring this back here for the arm. We'll make another little curved line right here so we can finish off the bottom of the glove. And then right here, I'm going to curve this line up, and I'm going to bring it around and right to here for a finger. I'll make another one here. Make one here. And then before I finish it off, I'm going to make a little oval shape for a thumb with another little curved line here for that other finger. Now starting here, I'm going to bring a little line out, and then I'm going to bring a little line that's just going to curve all the way back here, so it kind of looks like he's carrying a bunch of presents. And then I'm just going to curve this line right down to here. And then we'll start out here, we'll make another big curved line just to kind of show how big the bag is. And I'm going to bring a little line up here. And then starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down and come around here. Now, starting over here, I'm going to make his other arm. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to come up here. I will go across, and then we're just going to bring it down. We'll make a little curved line for the bottom of the glove. Then I'm going to bring a line that's going to come out, and we're just going to curve it around for a thumb. Right here, we're going to curve a line that's going to curve around, and we'll do that 3 more times. We'll go 1, 2, and 3 more times. Then we'll connect it right here. Now right here I want him to be holding a candy cane. So I'm going to make a line that's going to come out, and we're going to just hook it down. Then we're going to come out, and we'll just bring this around here. We'll make a little line that goes out, down, and then back up. Then I'm just going to add a couple little curved lines right on here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Santa Mario. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.